guys, welcome to another video. Today I have another unboxing, and in here hopefully should be a brand new Numatic. Believe it or not, this should be from about 2003-ish. Obviously I don't know if it is brand new, but according to the seller it is. So it's not a Henry or nothing, but it's a Numatic nonetheless. So let's open it up. Okay, so well, I think the box was upside down in the listing. So let's have a look on here. So it's an nnv200 and it is from 2001. So it's 20 years old, this machine. And I think this is one of the first of its kind. So we'll open the box from the right way up. So it's upside down. Yeah, we'll have a look at it. Cardboard, some paper. Right, I don't know if it is brand new, but anyway, there is the very old style grey bent end. It's quite heavy. It does need a clean. It's very dirty. Two straight pipes. They're very heavy. We've got a non-genuine floor tool. This that can go on a cellar. We've got a used crevice tool. What else have we got in here? We've got the plastic bag that would go over the machine, and a few other bags that would have all the other parts in. Right, so we'll lift the machine out quickly. So there's the machine. Right, so there's the machine. Now that looks, no, it does actually look brand new. It's 2001, so it's a 20-year-old Numatic. We've got a hose. Hose actually does, by the looks of it, it's quite dark in there. It does actually look brand new, that hose. We've got that. Then we've actually got the proper attachments that it should come with. That isn't original, that's just a generic dusting brush. But here we've got the proper dusting brush that it should have. That's brand new. And we've also got the proper crevice tool that it should have. Now that's actually shorter, so obviously here's a worn out one. It's actually shorter than a standard crevice tool, but that is brand new, which is good. So we've got a random crevice tool in there as well. And then last of all, we've got some paperwork. Packed by, I don't know if that's original. Got the guarantee. Oh no, that's wiring instructions for the plug. I think this is a brochure maybe. Oh no, this is the instructions. So Nuvac. And then we have another set of the same, similar. Oh yeah, two sets of the same instructions. Don't know which one's in better condition to keep with the machine, because one will go in my folder of bits. But yeah, it is missing the floor tool, unfortunately. But yeah, I am pretty happy with this. But yeah, it does need a good wipe over, and it is brand new. Wow. So we have a look inside. Got the motor, and we have the bag. Let's take the bag off. Yeah, that is the original bag, I think. Yeah, 2001. Original bag with no dirt in it. Yeah, this machine has literally seen zero use, which is very good for a 20-year-old machine. I didn't even think these would come out this early, to be fair. I think these came, I always thought these had come out about 2002. But obviously, you know, it's actually these come out earlier. Yeah, 37th week of 01. Plug it in quickly. I won't show it in action. I just want to see what it runs like, being brand new. Yeah, we'll give you a close-up video in a second, but we'll plug it in quick. And here we go. Yeah, that sounds good to me. So yeah, there we go. I am pretty happy with this. I can still actually get the original type floor tools that these came with on a trade website. But yeah, I am really happy with this. So yeah, I'll give you a quick close-up of it now. Alright, so I've just realised the camera angle wasn't the best. You didn't see most of the bits. But anyway, we'll start off with the tools. We've got the new dusting brush. It's dusty from storage, and so is that, but that is brand new. These are brand new. You don't see these a lot. They're a lot heavier than the newer type of aluminium type ones. Original 1.9 metre hose, is it? And then obviously you've got the machine itself, nnv200 from 01. We've got the inside. You can literally tell, look, the wheels have hardly got any marks on them. And then show you under here. Wow, this is really nice. And something to note, these bits here, these screws ain't actually countersunk into the casing. On later ones, these are countersunk in little like circles, but they are just sitting there. Filter and the bag, obviously never seen a speck of dirt in its life. So yeah, I am really happy with this. Really happy. It will need cleaning, obviously where it's sat in the box all its life, but as you can see that it is spotless, absolutely spotless. So yeah, there we go. There is my brand new Nuvac. You can see there's dirt on it. I won't be making any more videos of this. This will literally go pretty much straight back in its box and go in the loft. But yeah, there we go. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And of course, bye for now.